Google have released Gemini 3 Flash, their new LLM frontier model, on December 17, 2025. And on their blog, they claim it to be faster and on par with Gemini 2.5 Pro, and also in some cases Gemini 3 Pro, that it's beating the benchmarks of 2.5 Pro and Gemini 3 Pro, where it's much faster than those two models, and also the cost is very less compared to those Pro models. So let's see. Uh, and if we compare the price for Gemini 3 Pro preview and Gemini 3 Flash preview, the cost difference is very much, because the input price for Gemini 3 Pro is $2 and $4, where token size is more than 2 lakh. If it's less than, it's $2. And output price including thinking tokens, or $12 if it's less than 2 lakh tokens, and $18 if it is more than 2 lakh prompts. Also context catching price, uh, 20 cents, 40 cents, $4.5. And then they give 5,000 prompts per month for grounding with Google search. When we compare it with 3 flash preview, then it is just 0.5 50 cents for text, image and input, video input. It's for 1 million tokens, and even this is for 1 million tokens. And output token is $3. And for cache it's 0 5 cents, 10 cents and $1. Whereas if we compare it, here it's $2 and $4. Here it's 50 cents and $1. For output it's $12 and $18. Here it's $3. And for caching it's 20 cents, 40 and 4.5. Here it's 0 5 10 and $1. For grounding results, it's same for both, 5,000 prompts per month for free, and then pricing is coming soon. But below that, they have added $14 per thousand search. And I think billing for grounding with Google search starts from January 5. I think it's January 5. Yeah, January 5, 2026. So, cost wise, if we compare 3 Flash is much better than 3 Pro. And if it's faster, where we get the same level of intelligence as 2.5 Pro and 3 Pro, then it would be much better for that cost. uh, and they also give free tier. And in free tier, let's see how much they provide. In free tier, we don't have Gemini 3 Pro. We have 3 Flash, and the request per minute is 5 request. Token per minute is 250k 250k tokens. And request per day is for Flash it's 20 request. So this is what they provide in free tier. So if you want to try it out in this limit, we can try it out. So yesterday I was trying to create, I gave same prompt and all, like in Gemini, ChatGPT, Claude, and then Grok as well. And in Gemini, I tried with Gemini 3 Flash and also Gemini 3 Pro. So when we see the time here, it says it's like ran for 40 seconds, but in Pro, it says 71 seconds. So it's faster. And also when we compare the output, I asked it to provide there would be mistakes, spelling mistakes and all, but I just typed it out. So I asked for a web application where I can enter a time, set it to count down or count up, and then where I want it to be placed, below or top, and then a clock where I have, when I clicked, it should show like a press button, and then the timer starts, where I can pass it as well, and then I can change color, and there should be an option to export GIF or video for that particular timer. So this is what Flash has given me, the output UI, and this is what 3 Pro has given me. I told clock, but I don't know why this image is there, or maybe I did not say clock here. Yeah. So in ChatGPT, same prompt I have copy pasted, and this is what I got it as an output. Let's see, in Claude as well. Claude, this is the output that we have received. Preview timer, and then a download GIF option. And in Grok, also same prompt, I just copy pasted, and this is what I have received. And I think there are some issues because when I click on preview, it's not working. Maybe I should ask Grok to debug it. But here in ChatGPT, this is what we have received. It has this style, and I asked it to remove the 3D in the further prompts, so it's not there because it was looking similar to this round, uh, like just some circle. So I asked it to remove it and put it as flat. So this is what we have. Now I thought of creating a new, I have a new prompt where to create a game using 3D.js. So let's try with both Flash and Pro and see like which one is doing better. Let me. So this is Flash 3 preview, and I'm asking it to create a Panda Runner game where we will have on a mud on a road there will be pathholes and bamboos, and Panda has to escape pathholes and capture bamboo to increase the points, and also there will be a history, the game history. So let's see what Flash does and what Pro does. So let me give it on Pro also. Okay, this is Pro preview. Okay, so now I think we have to wait for the results. So it already thought for 18 second and then started writing the code. So it's 21 seconds. It's running the code. It's writing the code. Let's see what is happening here. Here it's still running for 18 seconds and then doing some thought process. I'll pause the video and I'll come back once it's done. Okay, in Pro 3 Pro, it's still running. I thought for 36 seconds and then it's still running for 128 seconds. And after writing the code, there were some issues, so it's analyzing the issues to fix it on its own. Whereas in Flash, it's already done. It thought for 8 seconds and completed it in 50 seconds. But I asked it for a panda, but I think it's clearly not a panda, but this is the game. Yeah, and I'm not sure. I cannot see any path holes or bamboos as well. So the distance is increasing. It have given everything I have asked. Just that I asked it to be in a center of a jungle. It's not there, and there is no path hole or bamboo on the path to capture. Pass is working. Play is working. Reset is working. uh, the game history is there, and yeah, game history is there, but it's not what I asked for, like at least the UI part. And also there is no path hole or the bamboo. So let's see if it has Pro has fixed the issues. Okay, it's still thinking. It analyzed the errors for another 65 seconds, thought for 62 seconds. Yeah, I think it started. Okay, so we have bamboo, dodged, distance. Okay, this is the UI. We have history option here. No, run history reset. Let's start the game. Okay, here I have panda, but I cannot see the panda. When I started, I can see the panda and there are path holes. Ooh, okay, so panda is there, but the panda, I'm not able to see if panda is running or not, and also not sure if switches like keys are working because I'm not able to see the panda. So let's ask it to fix. Let me ask fix for both 3 Pro and 3 Flash. Let's see. I'll pass it and come back. Okay. So I have asked about Pro and Flash to fix the issues, respective issues that I was seeing on the output. So on Pro, it thought for 108 seconds and ran for 108 seconds. I have not run it again to see if it has fixed it. And in Flash, I have given like what I was seeing as an issue, and then it thought for 19 seconds and ran for 61 seconds. So even here, I think Flask is faster, but let's see the output. Now, previously it was showing a robot, but now the panda, I think it looks like panda, and also it was some blue thing, but now I asked it for a jungle, so I think it put it as a green. Let's see. Okay, I think this side is like that flash is like to say that the panda is running, but still I cannot see any path holes or bamboos to capture or escape. And also I'm clicking on right left arrow, but nothing is happening. So that issue is still there. So I should ask Flash to fix it again. I'll do it after passing the video. Let's try Pro output if it works. Started the game. Okay, still same. I cannot see the panda. Or I'm not sure if it's happening because it's in a sandbox environment. Uh, but I'll just follow up with the issues that I see and let's see if it fixes it. I'll pass and come back. So now both Flash and Pro has updated the changes, and if we see the time, it thought for 38 seconds and ran for 66 seconds. In Pro, it thought for 35 seconds and ran for 97 seconds for fixing. And also, I think it changed the looks of screen. Like previously, it was looking different, and now it's looking different. I think this looks pretty neat, but I don't know if it fixed the issues. So we'll run it and try in both Flash and the Pro one. So let me start. Okay, here I missed the road. Previously there was a road, but here no road, and also no path holes or bamboos to capture. So it's still an issue. Let me run here in Pro's version. Okay, this is much better. Okay, clear. I clicked on left. I don't know why it moved right, but at least it works. Okay, one problem I see is I don't know. It doesn't look smooth, and also bamboos are somewhere like it's flying. I can't capture it. So there are these couple of issues. Path holes are okay. If I click on a path hole, then it's crashing. But bamboos, initially it's okay. It looks like it's on the road, but as the game goes, it looks like the bamboos are flying. Yeah. So I think pretty much we get what is happening here. Like Pro is fast, like slower, and Flask is faster. Uh, but maybe my prompting is bad, or we should I should slightly improve to give it in a better way with more details. But this is the current output. But I want to show you guys something where it's a game which I same game same. It's not same product, but same game which I created using Claude long back. I think January this year or December 24. Let me show it. I have deployed it on a subdomain. So this is how it looks. And if you see play history, this is February 25, but I created the game long back, maybe December 24 or even before that. I'm not sure, but it's been a year, almost a year, or mostly it's over a year now. And this is what Claude have created. Let me start the game. Uh, this is pretty okay. Here also kind of slow, where the panda is running very slow, and I have asked it to increase the speed as it goes, as it the distance increases, but it's still not great. And this game was pretty good, but I made some changes, and I think it made some issues. So panda is trying to capture the bamboo. Here bamboo is not flying, it's on the road, and path holes are coming very rarely, but when the speed increases it feels good to play. So here is a path hole. I will just end the game. Yeah, so game over, bamboos collected and distance traveled. And if you see here, uh, like this month starting, I collected 200 bamboos and ran this much. So the game was pretty much faster. I'm not sure why it's slow now. And we can play it on phone as well with like fingerprint touch, sorry, finger touch. So this was created with Claude, and I think this look and aesthetic is much better than what I'm seeing from Gemini. But yeah, maybe I should just follow or improve my prompting and then keep following until I get what I wanted. So I just wanted to show you guys about Pro and this comparisons of how Pro and Flask is working and the rate limiting and then the pricing differences. Hope this is useful. Thank you.